Alright, on this episode of Bernal's Dentside Garage, demolition has started. I'll take my dad's car to the scrap yard. So, if you're interested, stay tuned. Show you what happened.
Hey guys, it's me. I just wanted to say thanks for hitting that hype button on that last video. Really appreciate it. If you don't know how to do that, just go to the comment, or you could put a comment there of what you like about the video and don't. Hit the left, hit it to the left, hit the hype! You know, get us a big shooting star. Can't wait to see you guys on the next video. Bye.
So it begins. Hey guys, I'm going to introduce you to Bernal's Dentside Garage Crackhead Edition, where we cut the caps off. One down, one to go. Come on, work with me. Damn it. In my ear. I wonder if we could cheat a little bit. sometimes you gotta think outside the box.
What's it say? Well, it says, I love it when a plan comes together.
There you have it, all loaded up, ready to go. In case anybody wonders what happened, they can tune in and watch the video. Yep, sad day, Dad's old Mustang. Shit happens. Up next, some demolition. Yeah, she gone. Wonder why they put them upside down. I wonder if that's for stacking purposes. See, they're all upside down. Yeah. Let's see what we got. We are currently at 1,800 and some odd change. I don't remember what on all our scrap money. So this should put us well over 2,000. To go buy a project vehicle. All right, we got $324 for the car. I gotta come back later for the cats. It's whatever they gotta do, call wise or whatever. Hell, I don't know. I'm coming back later anyways with another load of scrap on the pickup truck, so ain't nothing but a chicken wing. Hey, nice park job, idiot. Why don't you just park right directly behind me? Well, we gotta return this rollback and maybe slide the guy that owns it $100. Because I don't think he's gonna charge me to use it. Then we'll head back to the Demolition. Yeah, I'm bringing a load of scrap in with the wife's truck. So I'll see you guys later. Alright, our grand total so far is $2,393.49. All the scrap we've taken in from the burned up house, the Cadillac and my dad's car. So that's how much we got to go towards a new project so far. And I believe I might have another load or two of scrap, so we'll see. Hey there, little buddy, you wanna come home with me? Okay.
But wait, there's more. Hang on to your seat, baby, cause this one's a screamer.
Well, later in the day, looks like they got quite a bit done. No more walls standing, no more front porch. I'd have came back out while they were doing this. Wasn't feeling that hot, so I went and took a nap. Oh, what a mess. But it started. That's a good thing. Alright. See you guys in a bit. Here you go.